practically be blind for the entire
Oh,
lesson.
not
The
fun.
problem was, obviously, I couldn't see anything.
That's dangerous.
What's he doing?
Why is everyone just shaking? People are just shaking for no reason. Are they staring at me?
Legs. Ooh, got it.
That looks good. Oh no.
Sorry.
So she like can't see.
Yeah. Oops.
Wrong car! No!
Wrong car!
Oh my gosh, have you ever had something like that as a kid? So